What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing on the Team Corally Shogun XP6S. A 1/8 scale truggy. But what I'm gonna do I'm gonna look on the outside of the box, see what it comes with. On the outside of the box, it comes with the basic Team Corally setup, aluminum shocks, the heavy duty differential, the steel drive shafts, dog bones, come with the big thick arms, shock towers, differentials, high quality bearings, but it don't come with a skid plate. Go figure. Starting off on the receiver and remote, you got the Vario radio. Come with the Kuron 2050 kV motor, 4 to 6S capable, and it comes with the TOROX 185 amp ESC. Got the Varioprop digital servo. Alright, here we go. Let's pull out the car first, and we'll get into the other things that come in the box. Hey, this stuff don't come in the box. This is extra stuff I just jammed in there. Alright, here goes what you get in the box. Get the manual, get the antenna. Okay, here's the speed gear, speed pinion. Now let's take a look in this box right here first, see what this has in it. Here go the remote. Not bad, don't feel bad in the hand. Here go the car itself. Take it out the plastic. Okay, what's going on? All right, here we go. It sits real low. Definitely reminds me of Italian. It sits really low. Looks mean. Okay, let me get this out of here. Body feel pretty sturdy. I like how they got it dropped low. Suspension. Wow, what the hell? Look from the side view. Yeah, it's sitting real low. They got this thing dropped. There we go. Good look at it. Definitely remind you of Italian. I want to see how fast this is. I heard people got some nice speeds with these out the box. Shogun. Does look pretty good. Nice, a little strong. They should have put some vents back here. You know, put the vents so the air can get out of there. Seeing this in person is different than seeing it on TV and on the box. All right, let's take a look under the hood. I had to take it to my man cave to look at it better. All right, let's take the hood. What's under the hood? Underneath, look how clean it looks. No dirt nowhere. That ain't gonna last long. But all right, here we go. We got the arms. These ain't adjustable, it's plastic turnbuckles. Plastic in the back. You got metal dog bones. Metal drive, center drive shaft. In front. The back a little better. This rebound is fast. A little fast over there, but it drops low. This one drops low too, but yeah, the inside is pretty good. You can see the Okay, we got a 13 tooth pinion in here. I want a little, I'm gonna see how I ride on 13 tooth, but I'm gonna definitely upgrade that to 15. The arms, I mean, plastic, I guess. We'll see how I ride. This ain't really, this is like a speed basher type car, so we'll see how I run. I got this from Adam and RC Discount Superstore. Whoa. Got it at a nice deal. See how low it is? This thing is low to the ground, so you know you can get up to some speed. Let's look at the chassis underneath. Underneath the chassis, you don't have no skid plate under there. I don't really like that. It said don't come with it. It's an optional part, but okay. Now, I'm not too sure about, okay, let's see. Let's try. I'm gonna try these three. Starting off with this one. No, this ain't gonna fit. Now the thing is, yeah, it ain't gonna fit. Let's try this one. Okay, this will fit. This will fit, but I have to take this little piece off right here. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Yeah, it fits perfectly in there. The perfect fit. Want to first start off, cut the controller on, and when you cut the car on, hold the set button and power. Press it once for neutral, and take the controller, full throttle, then full reverse, and then you wait to hear that sound and know you set it right. Steering rate right here, this is the dual steering rate. This is the throttle button, throttle trim. This is the steering trim. You got the bind button right here. You got reverse steering and reverse throttle. But what I'm gonna do, this ain't gonna be a running video, it's just an unboxing and take a look at it. You know, that battery, I gotta do something with these front shocks. That thing dropped down. I could tell I'm driving, braking, it's gonna scrape that bottom all up till it pops off. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. There we go, that shit fit nice on there too. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.